Right, on to the questions that we're doing on Wednesday of these angles where we're just given the plus thetas and the minus thetas, not actual numbers. And our strategy is going to be almost identical, to be honest. We've got our x, y, we've got our Cartesian plane and our cast diagram for reference. It really is our go-to. C-A-S-T. And we're going to reduce all of these angles. This time we can use our calculator as always to check things, but we're going to see how we use it more strategically. So to start with, let's start with our numerator, sine 180 plus theta. I'm going to give myself this to go. There's our fraction line. We know that 180 plus is still going to give us sine. 180 plus theta, let's always say that theta is an acute angle. It doesn't have to be, but for the sake of our cast diagram, let's say so. So 180 plus, if this is 0, 90, 180, 270, and back to 360, 180 plus theta gets us into this quadrant. Now, in this quadrant, 180 plus theta, this bit's theta, so this is going to be the same as sine theta, but because we're in the third quadrant, only tan is positive, so this must be negative sine theta. Okay, and we're going to follow that process for each of these angles. So let's look at cos 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta, well, we must be down here somewhere. So we're down here, and we're saying if this angle going around here is 360 minus theta, this little angle is theta. So this is the same as cos of theta. Now we're in the fourth quadrant. Cos is positive, so it's going to stay positive. Let me put the positive there to show that. Okay, cos theta. Then we're going to multiply. So whether we put a multiplier or not, I'm going to put it just to show there. Now we've got sine, and sine is feeling a green color. So we've got sine 180 minus theta, which means this is going to be sine theta, and we just need to work out if it's positive or negative. So 180 minus theta, so here's 180, and we haven't got all the way there. So it's sitting in this quadrant, so we're going around to that point and saying, well, this little angle is theta. Are we positive or negative? This tells us that we're positive. So we're multiplying by positive sine theta. Okay, now we keep simplifying. Equals. Now, we've got things that can cancel out. This sine theta can cancel with this sine theta because it's one term over one term. So we're left with negative 1 on top and cos theta in the denominator. So we've got negative 1 over cos theta. And there we are. We're not dealing with sec, cosec, cotans. We don't need to simplify this any further. Minus 1 over cos theta. We've simplified it.